Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today we're going to be doing iPhone 11 screen repair. It has a crack at the top and also the Face ID does not work. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team one day.
And we are done. So 12 minutes and 47 seconds. And we have a brand new iPhone 11. And everything works great. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help you. Make sure you check us out on Instagram, Facebook, our website, and also YouTube. And I just want to thank all of our customers. Thank you for those who watch the videos. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks again.